Inhale the good, exhale the bad. It's a meditation mantra. Happy Monday, folks. We're shaking. I'm coming off the high of a private dinner. When I have those events, it's just magical, especially for me, because they are completely aligned. God, source, universe knows to send the right people to the right chef. But anyway, let's start this off different. I got called to do a little, card pull this AM. This is my new deck, Beyond the Fog and Shade, being I haven't really touched cards in a while, and I have like explanations on that because I know when I'm going into a test phase and all that, because I'm just coming out of another spiritual awakening. That's number 10 for me. Yes, they don't get easier. So walking out of the last dark night of the soul. Let's see what messages Spirit has for the collective today. Which today I decided I'm gonna do a challenge because I keep saying ways to unplug. You gotta stop eating fast food, and it's like, but we all love fast food. Wow. We all love fast food because we all start off on the same level. And I had my favorites like McDonald's. What did I like? I like Big Mac, I like the cheeseburgers, the chicken nuggets, and the snack wrap. When I got the chicken nuggets, I got barbecue sauce and sweet and sour sauce. And of course, there's the Big Mac sauce, which I make the Big Mac sauce amazing. 143 on that timer, 144. So with that being said, I'm gonna share first cheeseburger, then Big Mac sauce. I'm gonna try to figure out the chicken nuggets because I've never attempted it, but I am going to because they were one of my favorites. So let's figure that one out. But let's see what messages Spirit has for you guys. So, light and dark secrets, waves of change, silent shadows, confronting the beasts within me. This is my own mantra, me versus me till the best version emerges. Wrong route, no entry. Trust signals, the universe knows your path, and I know this one 100%. Trust the process, trust your sign, because universe ain't gonna ever steer you wrong. The Matrix, however, that's gonna put you in loops. Trust me, I know because I've been there. The bull of strength, masculine force, flame, resolute rules. Leadership, dominance, control, power, and commanding presence. Twin flames, pure love, and then unexpected surprise. 303 on that timer. Hi, Dad. On that note, I am ending this one off. Come back because I'm going to be sharing how to make a cheeseburger at home, like the classic McDonald's one, but how to make it taste way better. And I caught 313 on that timer too. So that's Dad and Hikate in this case. So I'm ending this one here and tap back in to see what I'm sharing because I'm challenging myself to do McDonald's at home and then next, Burger King, so on and so forth. So get in that kitchen and get cooking because the fastest way to raise your frequency is by cooking for yourself and using fresh ingredients, not dead ones. So the more you know, come back for more.